You're watching How Leap. Let's fix Messenger not working on iPhone. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, update the Messenger app. Go to the App Store, search for Messenger, and tap Update. Restart your iPhone. Hold the side button and volume button, then slide to power off. Turn it back on, then check for iPhone software updates. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Install any available updates. Clear the app cache. On iPhone, you must offload the app. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Find Messenger, tap it, then select Offload App. Reinstall it from the App Store. Also, check your date and time settings. Go to Settings, General, Date and Time, and ensure Set Automatically is on. Finally, check if Facebook's servers are down using a site like Down Detector. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.